What's up, guys? This is Brent with 247parts.com, the best place online to buy your John Deere parts. And let's jump right on in and show you how to install the footrest kit on your John Deere Z300. Now, this is going to be a new feature as of 2023. So if you're looking at Z300s prior to 2023, this kit is not going to fit your mower. So once we get to the 2023s, we can add this on. So first thing that we're going to do is remove our foot platform off of the mower. And then now where we are going to be adding in this footrest kit is right here in these two holes on either side of our foot platform. And this is just going to give a little extra comfort whenever riding this mower, as it gives you a couple different places here to put your feet rather than just flat on the floor, and gets them up off of the foot platform a little bit. So this is a really easy install. The only thing that we're going to need is, of course, our two footrests and the bolts that come with it, and then also a 13mm socket and ratchet, or you can also do this with a wrench. So to put these on, they're going to come with the bolts and nuts to install them. So we're going to grab two of our bolts here, and we can see right here on the footrest that they do have the hex head opening where the bolts are going to go through. So once we put those through the footrest just like that, we will not need a wrench to hold those, as that's going to form around those bolt heads and hold them still. And we're actually just going to do this one at a time, so we're not trying to have to hold two bolts at the same time. So we'll grab one of our nuts here and we'll just feed this in through the backside, get that bolt to come through right there in the foot platform. I'm just going to rest that on my leg here and start the first nut onto that bolt, and then just repeat this on the other side. Start our nut here on the other side. And we're just going to take our 13mm socket and ratchet and just start to tighten this up. All right, and then once we have one on, that is what it will look like right there in place, nice and sturdy. And then we'll just do the same thing with our other side. All right, and then once you have both of those on, good thing is not only is this a footrest, but it's also going to double as handles here for putting on or taking off our foot platform. Now, once you get these on, this is just going to add to the comfortability of this mower. You've got some slots here where maybe you can rest your heels on them. You can also rest your foot on them, just to give you a few more options of where to put your feet. So guys, I hope this video helped you out. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, we just asked you to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you are looking for this part, feel like you need this for your mower, the part number is BUC10332. You can get this on our website, 247parts.com, where you can also get any other John Deere parts that you may need for your mower. So guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, make sure to go buy your parts right here and subscribe right here.